Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, April the 9th, 2024. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiwa block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. You can download the PDF files and print them out, so you can make it by your own or make it by yourself. Let me start with this one, the 3 Stars Sudoku, and this one will be number 8330. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one should be an easy one. 31 printed digits. Well. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 6 extra more printed digits. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 40, maybe 30 minutes, but it's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this really a 3 stars puzzle or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about let me see. Well, we have 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes here. 1 in the third row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. All right. And now, let me see. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in the middle column, so no 4 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. So what are these 3 missing numbers then in this big square? For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have 6 and 8 in the middle row. No 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. Alright. 9. 9. Okay, and now. Let me see. 4 missing numbers now in the middle row. 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. 5. Need a 4 here. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7. 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. I need to wait again. Okay. How about 2? Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes here. Yeah, 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 2 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left of the 2 should be there. 2, okay. 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. 5, 5, okay. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the middle row. The 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 3 goes there. So what are these 3 missing numbers then in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9. That means we have an 8 in one of these 3 boxes in this row. So this box can't be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 6. So 1 box left in this row for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing here. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4, okay. Well, cannot continue with the 4 now. How about? Need a 6 here. Need a 5 here. Well. 5, 5, 5. Need an 8 here. Need a 8 there. I'm thinking 4. I need a 4. Well. I need a 3 here. I need a 3 there. Yep. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column 3, no, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, need a 3 here. 1 in this column, last column, 1 in the column next, on that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this last row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, okay. 1 box left in this column, middle column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Okay. 5 and then 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so last row. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, the 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 3. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. One box left in this column for number, I believe the 8. Yeah, 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. 5 in this row. 5 last row. 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then, let me think, 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9, Alright, and now, how about, the 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the second row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers, 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, last third row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. That means here the 7 and the 9 are left. 7 and 9. Okay. Then 8 and the 6. Need a 6 here. 8. Thinking. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and the 7. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in the second row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left, and 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 7 and 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, told you, cannot be a 3 stars or a 2 stars or 1 star and faster than 30 minutes. Definitely a 3 stars puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.